Hello everyone, welcome again to Let's Make Robots. So in this video, we'll be looking into how we can set up an Ubuntu working environment inside an macOS or Windows system. So as you can see, most of you guys might be using Windows, Mac, or any other OS, and you might be needing to use Ubuntu without actually installing it in your hard drive or dual booting your system. So here I am also using a similar kind of method. Here I'm trying to use a virtual machine using VMWare Fusion. So I'll be installing the latest version of Ubuntu in VMware. So the first step for this is to download Ubuntu from, the image file of Ubuntu from the website. So here I'll be going to Ubuntu desktop version and I'll be choosing 20.04. Yeah. So I have previously downloaded this, so I'm not again downloading. So I'll just stop this download and I'll go to my downloads folder. So yeah, here is a file which I have downloaded previously. So you can see that it's almost 3.07 GB. So yeah, the next step will be to open VMware Fusion. Here I'm using VMware Fusion, but if you're using a Windows system, it will be VMware Workstation or something similar. I need to look into that. But please, if you need to know what's the procedure exactly to install a virtual box or virtual machine on a Windows system, please look into certain tutorials. I will find them and put each links for that such videos in my description. I'm not going to explain how to do that in a Windows system. So please refer that video if you're using a Windows system and if it's a VirtualBox or other software other than VMware Fusion. So here you can see, so here what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to install from image or disk, right? So I'll click image on disk and I'll just drag my disk image. So this is my disk image. I'll just, for the sake of, keep this here and drag this. So yeah, done. So I'll click on continue. So here you need to set your name. So I'll set my name here and the account name, sorry for that, and my account name here. Yeah, so account name I'll keep Let's Make Robots. That should be fine. And password, I won't keep a password one now because I don't need a password here. Oh, it's necessary. So yeah, I'll keep a password. I'll keep the same thing. Let's make robots. Oh, it doesn't match. Okay. It again doesn't match. My God. Okay, now you guys can figure out that I'm dumb. Maybe the first password is wrong. Yeah. So coming to this specification part, so here you can see that we have memory 4 GB allocated as of now. So if you want to increase the specifications, you can go into customize settings. Here you can see the name, share this virtual machine with other users. I'm just saving it for now. And yeah, the window popped up in my second screen, so I'll just drag it here. So here we'll enter the installation menu. So once we click on this play button, it will start the setup. Okay. See, the steps might be different. The reason why I'm not explaining you or doing a separate video on how to install it in Windows and things, are because I've found a numerous video on how to install a virtual machine using VirtualBox or any other software like which offer you virtual desktops. So I'll just post the links below and you can refer that. Yes, so just wait. Let's wait. Yeah, here comes. Here comes our Ubuntu 20.04. Oh, it's taking too much of my resources, I believe. It's taking too much. Okay. Verifying the installation configuration. Hooray, congratulations guys. So yeah, congratulations for me. Like we have finished with our installation right now. It took about 20 minutes, but the speed usually depends on your system capabilities. So yeah, mine is a little bit slow. So let's input your password. Okay, it's taking too much time. I don't want to configure anything right now. Nope. Nope. I'll choose not. Next. Ready to go. Spotify. Install app like this. Okay. For now, I'm not installing anything until one done, and yeah, you have this ready. I always love to keep trash in the corner. So yeah, so now yeah, we have successfully installed Ubuntu 20.04. As you can see, yeah, outer minutes and everything is ready for now. So this is installation. The next step that we are going to do will be to the next video we'll be discussing on how to install robot operating system or ROS in your Ubuntu machine. So yeah, see you in the next video guys.